Nasa atin pa rin ang corona. Mayon Volcano in the Philippines is widely recognized as one of the most perfectly conical volcanoes in the world. Its near-perfect symmetrical shape has made it an iconic natural landmark and a popular subject in photography and art. Located in Albay Province on the island of Luzon, Mayon stands at 2,463 meters, 8,081 feet, and is the most active volcano in the Philippines, with over 50 recorded eruptions in the past 400 years. Sino ang mga taga Bicol dito? Kamusta man kan mga buhay-buhay nyo dyan? Gusto ko man magpasyar dyan sa mayor? Si Saikan mag-iba sako? Comment ka na sana didita mag-iriba kita pa doon in Bicol.